Hello friends, I'm called Tanyi Roland Tanyi, a GNSS surveyor at Ngomez Engineering. We are here to present to you eSurvey in the version E300. I'm going to let my friend Romel to continue.
Yeah, my name is Fa Romel, a GNSS surveyor at Ngomez Engineering. As you say, we are about to present eSurvey e-tracer. In fact, we have been using eSurvey e-tracer in this project for like quite already 1 month yet, and we can say we have a positive feedback. Actually, we have been using many other apparatus before, but eSurvey is particular, and we will try to get you in with what is so particular about it. Firstly, it is user friendly, very user friendly. The operating system in the controller is user friendly. All is just easy to use. Either let it be in static mode or in vertical, or let it be with permanent station. All is just easy. Bluetooth connection, easy to connect with electrical radio, easy to connect in static mode. Everything is just easy, so it's very user friendly.
Okay, now as my colleague rightly said, we're going to present some little things about eSurvey. As you can rightly see, firstly, its controller is very smart in such a way. It is Android and it's static. You can use it in doing whatever you want to do without touching the buttons. Also, comparing with other machines, it can easily connect to the permanent station. It is very smart, and also since it connects with the controller, the antenna connects with the controller, or the controller by Bluetooth. The distance between the controller and the antenna is between 15 to 20 meters. It has a very good internet reliability, like when we want to connect to the permanent station, and also has a map interface inside. Like what people usually use in the field, map me with your phone. You don't need it anymore. Everything is being interpolated inside your controller of the eSurvey. And also, using a SIM card, you can have a message, you can contact with the other persons using the messages. And also in the field, when faced with difficulties, since it's an Android smart component or device, you can take pictures and even do records. So at the field with eSurvey, cameras are not needed, phones are not needed. eSurvey does all for us.
Actually, and also we want to precise that it has a very long lasting battery. You can work for a day, a complete work day, without having battery problem. Actually we have also tested it on its precision on our geodetic system here in Cameroon, and we saw in electrical connected to a permanent station that it was giving a precision of 8 millimeters in planimetry, and so we can say it is quite reliable. 8 millimeters in planimetry and in altimetry. Yeah, it was like quite between 8 millimeters and 10 millimeters. So we can say it's quite very. We also want to precise that eSurvey has many constellations that permits us to always have a quite fixed position when you are working in electrical mode inside the bush. It is very, very, very important, very useful when working inside the bush. You rarely lost position. It's quite always fixed. We have the GPS, we have the Galileo, we have the GLONASS, and we have the S-bus. eSurvey also permits us to share data very easily. Like when you're finished to work, you just export and you share to your device, share to a friend, share to anybody by mail, by WhatsApp, and just anyhow, and just as simple as that. In one click, the data can be shared.
And also with eSurvey, if we are working in the field and it takes also different formats of files as input, especially DXF or DXF drawing files. Like when you're working in the field and you want to know your limits, maybe if you're doing a 3D survey, with eSurvey, it's very easy.
So as a GNSS operator, I would highly recommend each and everyone to have and eSurvey E300, and I'm sure the one above is more reliable, like more efficient than this. So it is a very good instrument. It's a very good instrument apparatus for work, for field work, for your observation, for everything. Let it be electrical, static mode, or connected to permanent station. It does everything perfectly.